Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to present the topic of discrete mathematics and the topic is probability. We are going to talk about real life example of probability. The following ID numbers will present the topic. My ID is 172352151 and my group members are 172352134, 172352146, 172352149 and 163351773. So probability. What is probability? Probability is the mathematical term for the likelihood that something will occur, such as drawing an ace from a deck of cards or picking a green piece of candy from a bag assorted colors. We use probability in daily life to make decisions when we don't know sure what the outcome will be. Most of the time, we don't perform actual probability problems, but use subjective probability to make judgment calls and determine the best course of action. So now my next member will come and present the next topic.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ifa Tamanna. My ID is 172352146. Now I will discuss use of probability in our life. Planning around the weather. Nearly every day we use probability to plan around the weather. Meteorologists can predict actually what the weather will be, so they use tools and instruments to determine the likelihood that it will rain, snow, or hail. For example, if there's 50% chance of rain, then the weather conditions are such that 60 out of 100 days. With similar conditions, it has rained. Meteorologists also examine history database to estimate high and low temperature are probable weather patterns for that day or week. Now my next group member will continue.
My name is Mehdi Hassan Soel. My ID is 172352134. My topic is about uses of probability in sports and strategies. We can use probability in sports strategies. Athletes and coaches use probability to determine the best sport strategies for games and competitions. We know the probability is equal to event occurs divided by total event. For example, if a batsman hit 8 balls out of 10 balls throws, the probability to hit a ball of that batsman is 8 divided by 10 is equal to 0.80. The percentage will be 80%. We can use this probability in many fields of sports, like for example in the football. A football kicker makes 9 out of 15 field goals attempts. So the probability will be 9 divided by 15 is equal to 0.60, or the percentage will be 60%. So we can use probability in our sports and strategies. Now my next group member will continue.
Thank you, Mehdi Hassan, for his valuable speech. Now I'm going to present a topic named insurance option. So, probability plays an important role in analyzing insurance policies to determine which plans are best for you or your family and what deductible amount you need. For example, when choosing a car insurance policy, you use probability to determine how likely it is that you will need to find a claim. For example, if 12 out of every 100 drivers or 12% of drivers in your community have hit a deer over the past year, you will likely want to consider comprehensive, not just liability. Insurance on your car. You might also consider a low deductible if average car repairs after a deer related incident run $2,800 and you don't have out of pocket funds to cover these expenses. Now, I would like to welcome my next member.
Sumit Hassan first. My ID is 16335 Mark 773. My topic's name is recreational activity. We use probability to play board, card, or video games that involve luck or chance. We might write of getting the card, deep into card, or the state with we need in every game the likelihood of those cards or token will determine how much risk you are willing to. For example, are 46.2 to 1 that we will get rid of a kite if we poker hand. Approximately a 2% chance according farm math world, but the odds are approximately 1.41 or about 42% that we will get on pair. Already as we access the words at stake and determine how they want to say that. And my next member continue.
Thank you, Amita Parsal, for your valuable speech. My name is Mohammad Ali Alsani, and my ID is 1735251. So I'm going to present the next topic, and the topic is the lottery. What if we want to know the probability of winning a lottery? Combination and permutation formula, very useful to solving probability problem. Imagine a lottery where we pick six numbers from 1 to 49 and for a winning number their order matches. Here we must use the formula for permutation to figure out the size of the sample space, which consists of the number of permutation of size k that can be taken from a state object. So that was all with the real life use, and there is so much more. Thank you for being with us. Thank you very much.